Hello my friends, welcome again. Here I am in the listing dashboard. I have registered as a John Doe and I have created two listings for this user ID. So user ID 1 and 1 and listing 1 and listing 2 with some address and website, and the user ID 1 is here. We have only one user. I'm going to display the listing for that user here and create a new, I'm going to display here. So I have opened this Tailwind UI and find this table. I'm going to copy this and modify with our data. Okay, but first we need to create a Livewire component. So here I am in the VS Code. I'm going to open the terminal here and artisan make Livewire, and I'm going to call it listing. Okay, and now we have a listing blade and listing if I search for the listing Livewire class, so here we have the class and here is the blade. First I'm going to add the blade here, so remove this xjet welcome and add the Livewire and the name of the component, in our case is listing. Okay, and close this one. So this name we added here, and I'm going to change this to my listing and save. And if you go to the application and refresh, now we have my listing, but we don't have anything because our listing blade is empty. Okay, I'm going to copy this table here and pass it here to the listing blade. Okay, we need to modify this one, so I'm going to make some changes. So I'm going to display the name and what we have the name, address, website, email, and I'm going to display this 4. So address, website, and the email. Okay, and here I'm going to remove this div and also the other divs. I'm going to leave only the edit, and here we need to check if we have listings. So if not empty the listings, go and make for each listings as listing, and here I'm going to display the body here, and we can display first the listing name, and I need to write it correctly, listing name, and another one for the first. We need to indent this. Okay, so we have listing name, copy this one and add another one for the what we have: a name, address, website and email. Address, okay, another one, website, another one for the email. Okay, save this one and go to the browser. Okay, refresh, and yeah, we don't have the listings. So in the class now, a listing class, but before we display here the listings, if we can do listings and of user listings. Okay, save this one, but we don't have the relationship, so we need to create the relationship with the user and listings. Okay, open the user model and here we need to create a method, call it listings, and we need to return here this has many listing class. Okay, and semicolon here, save, close this one and open the listing model now, listing models, yeah, and add here the method user single, and we don't expect here anything, and we are going to return this belong to the user class. Okay, semicolon and save, close this one, and now here we are okay. So we add the listings here. So if we go now to the browser and refresh, why we add the listings here, and if I add the listings here, save, come here and refresh, and now yeah, now we have the listing name, address, website and email, and we have this edit link here. Okay, in the next video we need to make a button and create new listing, this to edit new listing, and another, I'm going to add another one here, yeah, copy this one and paste it here, and this is going to be for the delete, and no indigo, but text is going to be red. Okay, save, refresh, and now yeah, we have edit and delete. Okay, and text on hover or red again. Save, refresh, and now yeah. Okay, so for this video we are done. If you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hope you all the best and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.